how many turns. I can't see.
Go a little further. No, you're good. You're good.
Grab it.
Dang it, John. I missed it.
You take off?
Yeah, it's over that house.
Or we just... You gotta grab it, dude.
Grab the top of it with both. Doc, you can hold on to him.
Oh, it's got something. It's got something.
What is it?
Catfish. It's heavy.
It's hung up. Hey, stop. Let it go. It's hung up on something. Just let it go. Move your arm.
It's not heavy. Look.
Yeah, it's hung up on this pole.
Why his eyes red? I didn't know there was a cold one.
First we said earlier, Trump.
Look! Yeah, look! I'll be your back hook. Look, I want to go eat that turtle.
Grab it.
That one has something in it.
Oh, it does.
Nothing?
Boo Googie.
Just come out the side.
Bruh. How? Be prepared for takeoff. This has to have something on it. Are you in my videos? Got a bass on it.
How'd he get on there?